Welcome to Shiksha Tutorial, your trusted partner in learning and success. Are you preparing for competitive exams like SSC, NET, UPSC, banking, or just want to boost your everyday knowledge? You're in the right place. In today's video, we bring you a power-packed dose of general knowledge, covering important facts, current affairs, and topics that you simply must know to stay ahead. So grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's begin your journey toward becoming a GK master. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching Shiksha Tutorials, where learning is simple, smart, and successful.